Well, the first issue that brought me here was my knee. I've had 2 knee replacements in my left knee, and it has left me with chronic pain. And Dr. Desai said, let's get the nerves burned in your knee. And this is something they don't do a lot of. It doesn't come up very often, and I was hesitant. Getting your nerves burned is kind of a scary thing, but it wasn't. It wasn't painful. I wasn't worried at all as he was doing it. He was very comforting in talking me through it, and oh my gosh, my life has changed. We were putting our house up for sale because it was a 2-story house, and our bedroom was in the basement, and I couldn't navigate the stairs anymore. This worked so well. We have taken our house off the market. I can now go up and down the stairs easily. We go on long walks, my husband and I. My life has changed. I am just so grateful to RestorePDX for giving me my life back and my ability to walk. It's amazing. I'm just so happy about all of this and how it's turned out. We have other issues we're working on now, and they are, like I say, bulldogging it and doing everything to see that I'm going to become as healthy as I can and as whole as I can, and that I'm grateful for.